What's up, YouTube? It is a glorious day outside. I've got a new fishing pole that needs to be tested out. I don't know exactly where I'm going to fish, so I'll see you when I get there, and I'll talk about the gear that I'm going to use. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Again, I'm going to mess around with something a little bit different today. I got a new rod in for the Cast Kings effort y'all seen in some of my earlier BFS videos. Take another look at it. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty well. I did change out the drag handle because I was cleaning it, lubing it, and all that, and I'd lost one of the teeny tiny little, almost microscopic beads for the drag clicker. So I just happened to have another reel that the drag handle and all that worked on, and it works just fine. It tightens smoothly, evenly, and I personally think silver on that black looks better. Anyway, this is a 7:2 gear ratio reel, and these BFS reels are made more towards throwing smaller baits. Like this here is just an 1/8 ounce head with a little swim bait on it, and you might be able to tell, but you can almost see the spool through the line. Now this is just 6-pound monofilament, and it is full as it's going to get. I believe the line capacity for 6-pound mono with this reel is 65 yards and 75 yards with 4-pound test. Now you can get away with braid and get a little bit more line capacity with a higher pound test, but the thing with using braid on these BFS reels is so much metal being removed from the spool, you can easily warp the spools on these rods, or reels I should say. Anyway, the rod is a Bass Pro Crappie Max Signature Series 6-foot light action, 1/16 ounce to 1/4 ounce 2 to 8-pound mono. I've got 6-pound on there, so we should be good. So I'm gonna get down here, hopefully catch something. I'm just gonna throw really small baits today and just see what all I can catch. Doesn't matter what. However, there are some monster smallmouth in this creek, and if I see one, I'm gonna throw a hellgrammite in its face and hopefully it eats it. Let's get down here and get to fish. Well, it has been a minute since I pulled this little bag out. Alright. But anyway, yeah, excuse that mess. This is a super light setup. Like, BFS, if you don't know, is basically the bait casting side of what spinning reels are made for. You know, throwing light lures, stuff like that. And this kind of sucks. This tree has fell and kind of ruined this spot. I mean, there might still be a fishy or two in here. Excuse all the banging around. It's definitely going to make it a lot harder to fish this. However, I can still fish this pool right over here. I see some shiners and stuff down in there. And I think right out here in front of me, kind of looks like there's a smallmouth or something. It's been a minute since I've used this reel, so I've got to tune it a little bit. That was a good cast. Ooh, got hit hard by something right there. There could be trout in here. There's no telling. I've seen trout late in the year. Yeah, drag was way loose. I have seen trout very late in the year in this creek. We're not going to spend a ton of time in this spot right here. but we're going to spend a few minutes. Ah, shoot, I bet you I get snagged up right yonder. Yep. Yep. Oh well, I was also thinking about just tying on a panther martin or a rooster tail or something anyway. I'm also kind of worried that there's somebody where I want to be at. Yeah, my check engine light's on it. It comes on about whenever it feels like it. And no, I'm not really going to do anything about it because it's been doing this for a couple of months now and nothing has changed. And I know exactly what code it's throwing, so. Something followed it. Something small, looked like one of those big old creek chubs. This is just down from where I was at. I had to walk around a bunch of trees to get over here. It's a little bit, well, it's definitely deeper now. And you know what else? Standing around all this running water don't help the fact that I've got to pee really bad. Oh, I got bit by something. Ooh, got hit again. Ooh, got hit again. Alright, I found some fish. They're probably shiners, creek chubs, something along those lines. Got it. And it is a rainbow trout. And I know somebody's gonna get mad because I don't have my hands ain't wet. But this is a pretty little trout. That is a lot of hooks. Please don't do that. Pretty trout. Well, it swam off. It was stunned a little bit, but it took off. It's all good. Well, I can actually make a video out of this. Alright, we're in the last spot of the day. I'm not going to take my bag out because I can walk up to where I can fish that pool a little bit, and this one here, and down here at the bridge. This is a little bit deeper pool, which down here at the bridge is pretty stopped up, so this is filled in just a little bit more, and hopefully I can get my jerkbait back. I did. And I did exactly what I just did to get over that first stick. I got that bait in an awesome spot, but I got it over a limb. And should probably go get a lottery ticket for that one too. Definitely gonna have quite a bit of line to trim off of this from all these snags and crap I've had it over. Well, y'all, didn't exactly stack a bunch of fish. Got a few bites here and there. Got the one trout. Seen a bunch of small little shiners, stuff like that. And a few bites here and there, but really I was just more wanting to get out here and try to test out that little BFS combo that I put together. I really like that Bass Pro Crappie Max casting rod. It's got a short handle on it, which would be good on a kayak. It's the exact length that I wanted for a BFS setup, a 6-foot light action. I kind of wish it was a medium light. That way I could throw a little bit bigger lures, but it's a BFS setup. It's made for finesse fishing, things like that, small, compact lures. Anyway, hope y'all like this short little video. Definitely going to be using that thing a little bit more. Well, a lot more, I should say. So, hope y'all like this short little video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.